Korea has a lot of the same sort of cyclical stuff that's going on in the rest of the region. The big feature of the flow picture in Korea, and the reason that's kept the 1 week over the course of the last 12 months or so, has been enormous retail equity outflow into the US stock market in particular. So, if you look at Korea, you'll know that the National Pension Service has been a big generator of outflows, over the course of the last 5 to 10 years, right? This is a structural phenomenon that the pension fund takes money overseas. But the big new thing that's happened is retail investors. And you were seeing headlines around this. But the numbers, as this chart shows, are really off the charts, right? Like they've gone from retail investors spending nothing on overseas equities before 2020 to now basically having as much overseas equities in their portfolios as households in Taiwan or Japan do. Now, I think given that rate of catch-up, it seems to me that probably we should be expecting this outflow to start to slow down, apart from the regulatory efforts that the BOK and others are making in Korea. Like the very fact from a stock perspective that Korean investors are now quite exposed to US equities, like it does suggest that some of this sort of easing of home bias that we've seen over the last 5 years or so, that now starts to lose ground. But that is the thing to be watching for. Like a slowdown in the equity side, equity outflows are important.